Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Node, JS, and a project folder, so install the LTS build first. It provides the Node binary and NPM. Open that folder in Vscode because the editor context determines terminal working directory. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ or via View right arrow terminal. This is faster than an external shell and inherits the workspace path. Make sure the file you want to run is saved and ends with JS, because Node executes JavaScript files directly. You can execute code immediately by typing Node filename. JS in the integrated terminal, that runs the file with Node. For repeatable commands, add a script in package. JSON for example start, Node index, JS, and run it with npm run start. This standardizes tasks. If environment differences matter, change the terminal shell from the drop-down to Bash, PowerShell, CMD, or ZSH. Once changed, restart the terminal to pick up new path values or shell-specific configuration files. To debug, open the Run and Debug panel, add a Node. JS launch configuration, set breakpoints, and press F5. This lets you step through code and inspect variables. Make sure Node V returns the expected version, because a wrong path can execute a different runtime. If things fail, run Node trace warnings or view the terminal output for stack traces. This reveals asynchronous errors and missing modules. Finally, restart Vscode after path changes and repeat the run to confirm the issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.